Hello guys, welcome to Sudedu channel. See me this side. So today we are going to start physics second chapter, force and law of motions, class 9th. So we will study in this chapter what is force, effect of force, balanced force, unbalanced force, laws of motion, Newton law of motion, first law of motion, mass and inertia, momentum and mass. So first of all we will study what is force. A push or pull is called force. मीन्स हम किसी चीज़ को जब हम पुश करते हैं, जैसे हमने एक डोर ओपन करना है तो हम उसे या तो पुश करेंगे या पुल करेंगे, उसी को हम फोर्स बोलेंगे. ठीक है. एंड इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट एन ऑन एनी ऑब्जेक्ट, if it moves, it is also can be said that force is done. So effect of force can make a stationary body in object. For example, a football can be set to move by kicking it, that is by applying a force can stop a moving body. For example, if by moving the handle, direction of the running bicycle can be changed. So if we want to stop the cycle and we will apply the brake, a running cycle or running vehicle can be stopped. Number 2, force can change the direction of the moving object. For example, applying force, that is by moving handle, the direction of running bicycle can be changed. So you can change any object direction. Similarly, by moving steering, the direction of running vehicle is changed. Force can change the speed of the moving body. It's accelerated. Speed of the running vehicle can be increased, or applying brakes, the speed of the running vehicle can be decreased. Force can change the shape and the size of an object. For example, by hammering, block of metal can be turned into a thin sheet. By hammering, a stone can be broken into pieces. Force are of mainly two types: balanced force, number 2 unbalanced force. Balanced force is if the resultant of applied forces is equal to the zero, it is called balanced force. If the resultant of applied force is equal to the zero, it is called balanced force. In the tug of the war, if both the team applies similar magnitude of forces in opposite direction, rope does not move in either side. This happens because of balanced force, in which resultant to applied forces is equal to zero. It is called balanced force. इसके बाद हम करेंगे unbalanced force. Unbalanced force क्या होता है? Obviously नेम से ही क्लियर है. If the resultant of applied force are greater than zero, the force are called unbalanced force. An object in rest can be moved because of applying balanced forces. Move a stationary object, increase the speed of a moving object, decrease the speed of a moving object, stop a moving object, and change the shape and size of an object. So till now what we have done, push or pull is called force, types of motion, what is balanced force, what is unbalanced force. So now we will do Newton's law of motion. What is Newton's law of motion? We have read many times earlier. Any object remains in the state of rest or in the uniform motion along a straight line until it is compelled to change the state by applying external force. Explanation हम देते हैं इसकी. If any object is in the state of rest, then it will remain in rest until a external force is applied on to change its state. Similarly, an object will remain in motion until any external force is applied over it to change its state. It means all objects resist in changing their state. So Newton's first law of motion every day. A person standing in a bus falls backward when bus starts moving suddenly. And it happens because when bus is moving, person standing in it is also in motion along with the bus. But when driver applies brakes, the speed of the bus decreases suddenly, or bus comes in the state of the rest suddenly. In this condition, legs of the person which are in contact with the with the bus and come in rest while the rest part of the body have the tendency to remain the motion. तो इसका मीनिंग यही है हमारा कि ऑल ऑफ द सडन जो ब्रेक लगेगी तो वो बैकवर्ड पोजीशन में गिरेगा ही गिरेगा. A person standing in a moving bus falls in this case legs of the applies. तो ये थी डिटेल हमारी कि पर्सन अगर वो रेस्ट की पोजीशन में खड़ा है और अचानक से ब्रेक लगेगी तो पर्सन बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन में गिरेगा. इसी तरह वो फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में भी गिर सकता है. अब हम एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं. जब हम तार पे कपड़े सुखाते हैं, जर्क करते हैं क्लॉथ्स को, हम झाड़ते हैं कपड़ों को ताकि उसमें से वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स गिर के नीचे ज़मीन पर गिर जाएं, तभी तो वो जल्दी से इजीली ड्राई हो जाएंगे ना. इसी तरह से अगर हम बिफोर हैंगिंग ये हमारा हो गया. उसके बाद व्हेन द पाइल ऑफ द कॉइन, सो व्हेन द पाइल ऑफ द कॉइन ऑन द कैरम बोर्ड इज हिट बाय ए स्ट्राइकर, कॉइन ओनली एट द बॉटम मूव्स अवे लीविंग रेस्ट of the pile of the coin at the same place. It happens because when pile is struck with a striker, coin at the bottom comes in motion while the rest of the coin in the pile has tendency to remain in the rest, and they vertically falls the carom board and remain at the same place. So ये हमारा फर्स्ट लेक्चर है फोर्स एंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन, in which we have discussed what is force, pull or push is called force, types of forces, balanced force, unbalanced force we have understood with the example, and after that we have discussed Newton's law of motion. Newton's first law of motion we have discussed today. Bye bye. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. You have any query, you can share it with me by writing in comments box. Goodbye.